Hello students, welcome to Praishyoji YouTube channel. This is scholarship exam standard 5th online class. Subject mathematics and the topic is operation on numbers division. In this video we are going to see the solution for practice test MT011. Okay, please open your solutions what we have calculated and tally your solutions, or we can say the approach to find out in the answers. So question number 1, 609 divided by 3, which is the dividend and divisor respectively. So now here, what is the dividend? Dividend means the number which gets divided, okay, and divisor is which carry out in the division, okay, or we can say which that number is making the division. Okay, now here, who is making the division here? Then 3. Okay, and who is getting divided? Who is getting divided? So this number is getting divided. Okay, so that's why 609 is a dividend. Okay, 609 and divisor is the 3 respectively, means in the same sequence we have to give the answer. Now here in option number 4 is the correct. Okay, because 609 and then 3 respectively they are given in option number 4. So don't make any confusion between dividend and divisor. Okay, after this one, whatever the answers comes, that is says the quotient. Okay, and if there is a balance, that we are saying the remainder. Okay, now question number 2, 9025 divided by 9 is equals to how much? Okay, which is the quotient and remainder respectively. So we have to find out the remainder, quotient and the remainder. Okay, so better way you can carry out this like our regular way. Okay, so 9 ones are 9. So here the balance 0. Again we are taking the 0. So here 0. Then next digit we are carrying, but it cannot be divided. So 0, and then next carrying the 5. So 9 twos are 18. So balance is the 7. Okay, 1002 and then 7 means option number 4 is the correct one. Or another way we can say, here 9000 divided by 9 means of course the quotient we can say it should be in terms of the thousands. Okay, here 9000 given, the same number cannot be. Here 102 means 100 given, cannot be, and here 9 and 7 cannot be, means guess that one it should be the near to the thousands, mean the option 4 should be there. Then later on we can check for only 25 divided by 9 means 9 to the 18. Okay, means after 25 minus 18 means 7 should be balanced. So 7 is here, and 2 means because of the 9 to the 18 where reduces from the 25, so means 102. Like this one also we can orally find out in our answers correctly, for but for that one you have to make the practice. Actually that is for the saving our time. Okay, but now you can do this practice on this basis before the making the oral. Okay, because in orally sometimes you can make the mistakes. Okay, so this is our answers. Now question number 3, any number divided by 1 is the answer is of course the same number, and now option number 1 is the correct one. Now question number 4, 45 divided by 5 is equals to 9. This is a sample of the any operation has given to us. Now where to find out in the here 4500 divided by something number is equals to 900. Okay, now here the same here, this is a multiply by 100. Okay, and now here also multiply by this 100. Okay, means here 100 is same in a result also. 4500 divided by 5 is equals to 9 we are given. So here also 4500 divided by 5 means option answer is the 900. Okay, so that is the meaning. So answer is 5 means option number 2. Now question number 5, 928 divided by 20 is equals to, now same we can directly make the division as per our regular method. Okay, by 20. So 24s are 80. So here the 12 balance, and the next number bring here 8. So now 26 are 120. So remainder is the 8, and here the what is the remainder and the quotient respectively. So remainder we have to give here 8, and then quotient is 46. In the same sequence we have to give. Now in the same sequence means option number 3 is the correct one. Respectively means in the same sequence we have to give, means remainder first has to be mentioned and quotient has to be later on mentioned. So here the remainder, here the quotient. Okay, otherwise some student may get the answer means option number 4. So it is a wrong actually. Okay, the 46 and 8 are the correct, but respectively is mentioned. Okay, now question number 6. One number is divided by 25 and the quotient is 13 and the remainder is 23. Now that which number is that one means we have to find out the dividend. Okay, so we know the dividend, okay, is equals to quotient multiplied by divisor, okay, plus remainder. Now here 25 divided by 25 means 25 is the divisor. Okay, so 25 is the divisor and quotient is here 13 and remainder is the 23. Okay, so quotient 13 and the remainder is 23. So 25 3 is 75, 7 is the balance. Now 25 1 is 25 plus 7 32 plus 23. So 5 plus 3 8, 2 plus 2 4 and 3 as it is. So 348. So 348 means option number 4 is the correct one. Now question number 7. 7620 divided by 3 is equals to 254. Then 2540 multiplied by something number is equals to 7,62,000. So what has given to us first here? The condition is 7,620 divided by here the 30, okay, is equals to 254. Okay, and asking about 2054 multiplied by something is equals to 762000. Okay, yes. Now this number we have to find out. Now as per this one, if we say this number is divided by 30 is equals to same here. Okay, now and this number also the same, but it should be the 10 times here, because of this here at the unit there is a 0. Okay, so we can split this number 254 multiplied by 10. Okay, multiply by this unknown number is equals to here also 7620 is there. Okay, and here the 20 means multiply by this 100. Okay, for this number multiply by 100, this number gets, means we can split this one also 7620 multiply by this 100. Okay, now here 10 times multiplication, actually this one also, this multiply by this answer will comes. Okay, okay, so now here 20 10 times comes, but in answer 100 comes. Okay, 100 times means here also the 10 times comes, multiplication of the 10 times, and we know this number multiplied by this number is equals to this number. Because of this number when divided by 30, the answer comes 254, means of course 254. Okay, 254 multiplied by 30 is equals to 7620. Okay, this number divided here and we multiply by this product to this number, means this number will comes. Okay, as per the rule of the division and the multiplication. So same here. Now here 100 should becomes. Okay, here the 30, we know the product of this and this 7620, but here the 10 and here also the 100. So 10 multiplied by something is equals to 100, means here also we have to multiply by 10. So this number means 30 multiplied by 10 means it should be the 300, and 300 is given in option number 2. Now question number 8. One social organization distributes 542 notebooks to 49 needy students. Then each student get how many notebooks and how many notebooks are left? Okay, means one student getting the 49, sorry, total students are the 49. Okay, and how many notebooks are there? 542. So 542 divided by 49, we can do this one, or directly we can here also in horizontal position also we can do. So 41 ones are, because 54 is here, so of course it should be divided by 1 times. Okay, so 49 minus, okay, so 54 minus 49 means 5. So here bringing the 2, so it should be 52. Again 49 ones are, okay, so after 52 minus 49 there is a balance of the 3. So this is the remainder and this is the quotient, means how many students. This quotient is giving the number of the notebooks to the students, because these are the number of students and these are the total notebooks. Okay, so means the meaning is number of notebooks to the one students are getting 11, and after this one the notebooks are left to the organization. Okay, so option number 1, each student get 11, okay, and 3 left. Okay, so how many notebooks and how many notebooks are left? Okay, each student get how many notebooks, so that is 11, and how many notebooks are left means 3. Okay, so option number 1 is the correct one. Now, question number 9, which of the following is correct sentence? Correct sentence we have to find out. Now, option number 1, any number is divided by 1, then answer is 1. No, this is incorrect. If 0 is divided by any number, the answer is that same number. No. Then if any number is divided by same number, okay, then answer is 0. No, the answer is should be the 1. So this statement is incorrect. Now, option number 4, by adding remainder to the product of quotient and divisor, dividend will obtain. Yes, this is the formula. Dividend is equal to product of the divisor and the quotient plus remainder. Here adding means plus remainder. In the same way, our formula is stating here, but in another statement. Okay, so option number 4 is the correct one for question number 9. Now question number 10, 4664 divided by 4. In this same example, divisor is increases by 4. Now here divisor means here 4664, here the divisor 4. Now divisor is increases by 4 means it should be the 8. Okay, then the quotient is increased or decreased by how much? Okay, now here now divisor is comes to the 8 means increasing, and the number is same. Okay, so now of course the quotient is getting decreases. Okay, because the divisor or we can say denominator is increased. Now this is the divisor or we can say the denominator also. Okay, now this is increases by 4 means now it comes the 8. Okay, so how much? So that difference we have to find out. So 4 ones are here, then 4 ones are again, 2 balance 26, 4 6 are 24, then 2 balance 24 means 4 6 are. Now 8 ones are 8 5s are 40, 6 balance 66, 8 8s are 64, so 8 8s are 64, and then 2 balance here actually 4, 2 balance 24, so 8 3s are 24. So this minus this we will get the difference, so 1166 minus 583. Okay, so answer comes a 6 minus 3 3. Okay, 6 minus 8 16 minus 8, here the 8, and then this will be the 10, this will 0, so 10 minus 5 5. Okay, so 583 times, so means the quotient is now decreasing by 589. Okay, so the option is decreased by 583 means here the option number 2 is correctly. So it is not increasing because the quotient is increases, so sorry, here the divisor is increases, so quotient will be the of course decreases, not increases, so it should not be. And how much? So that is a 583. Thank you.